Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fidelity Investment App login problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded your Fidelity Investments app. Then open the app. Here you'll have to select if you're US-based employees or employees outside US. Now in this login portal, you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and a valid password. So in order to fix your login problem, first of all check if your internet connection is stable or not, and if internet isn't the problem, then recheck your username and password. But if it still doesn't help, then try clearing data of this app. In order to do that, go to the settings app in your phone. Here scroll down your screen and go to apps option. Then click on manage apps. Here search for Fidelity Investment app. Tap on storage option. Now click on eraser icon that says clear data. Now tap on clear all data option. Then click on OK button. Now go back to your app. Once you clear the data, try again and log in. And that is how you can fix Fidelity Investments app login problem. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.